In this video, I'll show you how to remove pin code on Windows 11. Firstly, use the Windows plus L keyboard shortcut to open the Settings app. In the left-hand menu, select Accounts, and on the right-hand pane, scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Expand the Pin section, and if the Remove button is grayed out, proceed to the next step, which is scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Toggle off the option that says, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello Sign-In for Microsoft accounts on this device. Close the Settings window and open it again. Navigate back to Accounts, Sign-In Options, and Pin. Now, the Remove button under the Pin section should be enabled. Click on it to remove. Enter your Microsoft account password to confirm the removal, and it will be successfully removed from your Windows 11 PC. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.